friends, today we'll discuss how to generate quantile plots in Excel, that is normal QQ plots. So here we have serial numbers from 1 to 1000. This is the sample observation number 1 to 1000. I have generated normal distribution from Excel. So first thing, what am I doing here? This is our sample size 1000. I need to put all these X values in ascending order. So first thing is put all of your sample values in ascending order. So I need to uh, so now we have ascending values. The next thing is nothing but just we need to find out the cumulative probability of getting less than theoretical z score in D column. So here what we are doing here, the formula I have put here is equal to uh, I. I is this, as I mentioned, A1 I minus 0.5 divided by number of observations. So here we have 1000 observations or 1000 observations. Enter. I need to simply double drag it. That's all. So simply it is showing us the quantiles we are having. This is number. This is the quantiles. So then we need to find out standard uh, normal score like Z score here, that is called theoretical Z score. It is based on simple function we have here, norms inverse. Norms inverse we are having here. We simply need to give a p value that is given by here and enter. So Z score is simply showing here key. This is the Z value minus 3.29 and the probability is 0.00. Any value getting less than minus 3.09, the probability is 0.00. In the same way, suppose we come here minus 1.58 on the probability distribution function of Z. uh, on the Z score, the critical value is minus 1.58. The probability of getting value less than 1 minus 1.58 is 0.06. So this is one thing. This is called theoretical Z score. Now this is the sample Z score is equal to simply standardize our X values. So we need to standardize our X values is equal to our sample values minus mean of them, control shift enter, mm, control shift enter. Now F4 just to freeze it, xi minus x bar divided by variance standard deviation of the sample, that is uh, standard standard deviation, sample standard deviation. Again press F4 just to freeze it and just drag it through down. So now we are having our standardized X values and Z score of I. So simply now we need to plot, scatter plot both of them and we can find our QQ plot. The simple thing, uh, insert and then go to, sorry, recommended here. Okay. So here now we can say we can add here trend line also. The 45-degree line we need here. Here we can simply see the 45-degree line is completely filled with our data points. And the data was already normal as I generated in R. So it is normal distribution. but there are some little outliers here, but not to worry about. Not to worry about. But suppose there are too much deviation from this 45-degree line, then we can't stick with normal distribution. We need to go to other distribution. Thanks, friends. So this is the way we generate QQ plots. Thank you.